Hey everyone, sorry for uploading this video a little late, but here is a quick update of my progress, guys. So probably most of you know that I've been working on my assignment for the product design intern role at the jar company. So few days ago, I finished working on my assignment and I made a real quick case study to explain my design process and the decisions I made while creating that application. And I submitted everything on time to the jar team and just hoping for the positive response, guys. I'll be dropping out the link to my case study and the prototype in the description, so please feel free to check them out. Any feedbacks or suggestions would be greatly appreciated. And honestly, working on this project helped me think more critically about how users would actually interact with the app. Like, I learned a lot about balancing simplicity and functionality. Even though I submitted it on time, I can already see a lot of improvements, like adding voiceover or text to speech features to make the app more accessible. If I get the chance to work on this assignment again in the future, I would definitely focus on enhancing the accessibility and more. For now, I'm just excited to hear back from the JAR team and really hope I get the opportunity to work with them. Just wish me good luck, everyone. Ta-ta.